Alrighty then, I got another part for the mini bike. I picked up this GX160 head. I liked it because it had the 14cc chamber, so that'll add some compression. And then I put this shaft-mounted, or these shaft-mounted rocker arms. And this kit comes with proper length push rods too. And then anyway, while I had the valves out, I added these aluminum retainers and 22-pound springs. And then I did some port work on the head, just a little bit of port work. I knocked off the rough edges in the ports, so I didn't take off a lot of material. And then I got these stud kit, so we'll see what it does. Alrighty then. Oh man. Well, I guess that came off. Trying to do it all on the bike. Too lazy to take the engine off. Alright. There we go. Ah, there we go. Yes. Got that sucker out. The piston sticks above the deck just a little bit. Just like ever so slightly. So I need kind of I think you're supposed to have like 30 thousandths piston to head clearance. So I'm going to need a decent gasket again. Yeah, this gasket's showing like, I don't know, 45, 47 thousandths. Something like that. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing like 45. So 45,000 should be, that should work good. That'll give it plenty. Install the head without the dowel pins because this GX160 head doesn't have room for those dowel pins. I think you can only put like one, maybe two on the bottom. I'm just going to do it without any of them. Alrighty then. Ready? I guess I'll set these around 3. Ready? Alright, there's that. Alright, looks like she's all back together. GX160 head. With head studs. There it is. A 2.95. That's as fast as it's ever been. With a GX160 head. That's cool. Alrighty, it does look like the GX160 head does make a difference. It went 2.95 0 to 30. So that's the fastest it's ever been, or the quickest it's ever been. It feels more snappy for sure. And I think the 22-pound valve springs helped, because it doesn't seem like it's floating the valves or anything anymore.